We're here at Mascot International in Silkeborg, Denmark, to show you the textile transfer process in action. We have installed a new Natgraph dryer and extended an existing Natgraph dryer in Mascot's screen printing department. Firstly, the transfer is printed using the Sakurai cylinder press. Here, you can see the powdering process, which adds an adhesive layer to the printed transfer. Excess adhesive powder is removed and recycled. The transfer arrives at the Natgraph dryer via the vacuum hold-down inlet. We'll show you more projects in future videos, so be sure to subscribe and click the bell to make sure you don't miss out. The completed transfer is then neatly collected and stacked using our Natgraph sheet stacker. If you would like to learn more about our Natgraph sheet stacker, be sure to check out this video, which will be linked in the description, and be sure to check out our website.